what you manifest and what you may get can be two different things, right? I want to be a successful comedian. I didn't know that being a successful comedian would open up these other doors and I could go through this other shit. But when you see it now, it changes, right? But from the beginning, it didn't start that way. Eddie Murphy, when you talk about Eddie Murphy was not just comedy. Eddie Murphy was stardom. Eddie Murphy was the definition of stardom. Eddie Murphy was the comedian that matched the same energy of high-level success with stand-up comedy as movie box office. Like you gotta understand that doesn't happen, right? Like that synergy and that parallel, it doesn't happen. So when you see that, you're like, whoa, that I wish, I hope, maybe. Man, but you probably can never. Having the opportunity to do the same thing and be in that same space, you're never gonna achieve what he achieved. You're never gonna surpass what he did, but you can create a different conversation that's attached to you. And as I gain momentum, I realized that that's what I now was doing. I'm creating a different conversation and attaching it to myself. And by the way, so does Seinfeld. 20 plus years in, it's not about getting to the top, it's about staying there. How the f do you stay there?